Thank you for tuning in to Pepper and Salt today. Today's tech tip is going to be about the shift lock override. We are currently driving a 2018 Kia Sorento EX. It's a very beautiful model. Very thankful to have it. Has all-wheel drive. One of the safety features that they put into the model, and they do in many models for that matter, is the fact that you cannot shift out of park if you want to shift into drive or reverse without suppressing the brake pedal. However, they have an emergency shift lock override. Say that one many times fast. But in order to, if it was to get stuck and you cannot get out of that, that is what we're going to show you today. It's very simple. If I was to simulate that it was stuck in park and we were trying to suppress the brake and get it out of park to put it in reverse and it was stuck, down here they have a shift lock release, and if you pop this little lid open and put a screwdriver in it, then you'll be able to manually release the lock. So I'm just going to take, it's got a little space right in there for you to take a screwdriver, and you pop this out, and then you suppress your screwdriver down in the hole. You'll push it so far and then it'll press it in, and that'll manually release your shifter so that you'll be able to take it out of gear. Thank you for tuning in to Pepper and Salt. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.